Hey, we're here at the shop today. We're going to start on our newest project at Lake Erie Woodworks. It's going to be a large sliding barn door. New customer wants that for their basement. They decided to use walnut lumber, which you can see we started the milling process here already. Got some really nice boards and some really nice figure. So we've already jointed one edge, ripped them down so that they fit on the joiner, which will then bring them over here to our joiner. It's an 8-inch grizzly joiner with a spiral cut head, so it gives a real nice finish on it. After that, they're going to go through the planer. That'll get them down to a 3/4 inch thickness, which we need them to be at. And we'll start the milling process and we'll go from there. This is what we end up with. We got a nice pile of fully finished, plain jointed walnut boards.